195013. Welcome to Alfreton Railway Station. There should be a freight train coming through in a minute if you've not missed it. It was a bit hit and miss coming down here to try to get here in time. It might have gone, I'm not too sure. According to the clock, it's due in 2 minutes. Should be coming from that direction. And here it comes now. Freightliner, by the looks of it. I think it's off to a cement quarry. .705, that was GBRF freight. And that train was bang on time. If you're not subscribed yet, can you please subscribe? I would like to get to 1,000 subscribers if I can, as soon as possible, if not sooner. That's just a short video because the memory card is getting full up. I need to get a new card. I'll catch you all soon. Thanks for watching.